Hello?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am uploading a video only because I forgot to mention the winner of the giveaway in Thursday's video. So I just want to say congratulations to Nayeli. I think that's how you pronounce your name. If I said it wrong, I apologize. Some of you guys' names is very unique. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on here and say congratulations to you, and you have 48 hours to reach out to me, and you can do that by email or on my Instagram or Facebook, whichever one you like better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we're already into it. So right here I'm just showing you how my natural nails look. So we're gonna go from this to the end result at the end of the video, and I love how they came out. I still have them on. I also still have the kids nail kit nails on. Like, I just don't want to take them off. I love both of them. But so right here I'm just buffing my nails. I'm going to be working with the Burano poly gel. It's just super easy. The kit costs like, I think, $40, and you could do your nails multiple times, you guys, like literally multiple times. So right here I'm just wiping it with a alcohol wipe, and then I'm just going to be taking the Burano little liquid activator thing. I don't know what it is. You can also use alcohol too, I've heard, but I'm also going to be using this brush, and that's the color that I'll be using. This is the base coat. So of course you guys know that I did put latex on my nails, but it only works if you put a little bit of acetone on the sides. So you definitely have to put acetone still on the sides of a little bit of lifting, and it comes literally right off because acetone eats up the latex. So it doesn't just pop off like that. Don't think that that's how it's going to work, because it does not work that way. I just wanted to put that out there because a lot of you guys were like, well, they're not just popping off. It doesn't work that way. You have to lift it up on the side and then put a little bit of acetone, and it will literally just pop up like that. So just wanted to put that out there. I did this step completely backwards. I should have tried on the nail tips, well, the dual forms, way before I even put the top coat. But yeah, your girl had a little bit of a slow moment, and I put it on after I put the top coat. But either way, it doesn't matter. It didn't mess it up or anything, so that's perfectly fine, and they're still on, so that's all that matters. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just measuring the dual forms on my nails, and then I'm just going to be taking small beads, pressing it out, and applying it to my nails. It was very super easy. You guys wanted to see how I do just my natural nails, just a very short set, and this is what I do. This is all that I do, actually. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm also getting a lot of feedback. I'm sorry, I know I always tell you guys to enjoy, and then all of a sudden here I come with a whole nother conversation. But I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for the support in my last video. If you have not watched it, I do want to incorporate more kid videos on my channel, because I understand there's a lot of little girls that love to get their nails painted and are just finding themselves. So I just want to incorporate more little girl things on my channel, like the little nail kit that I had. I want to start doing it that way and just having my own little twist on it, just so that way they can watch and be like, oh my god, she's using a kit that my mom buys me, and it's not so bad after all. Like, she's using it, I can use it, kind of thing. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support on that video. It's absolutely amazing hearing from you guys and your comments, and it's just awesome. Like, what a great community this is. Like, some people could be so mean, but the rest of you guys that are just so inspirational and just leave the nicest comments, I just thank you. Like, that's all I need, is just nice comments and just positive feedback. And if you're gonna criticize me or tell me that I need to fix something, you do it in a way that it's not gonna bother me or make me feel like you're coming at me in a certain way. So I just wanted to say thank you so much, and I appreciate you guys, and I love you guys so much. I don't think I have anything else to say. Just that. And also, thank you guys so much for the new subscribers. Like, I gained so many subscribers in a day that I just want to come on here every day and be like, thank you so much for subscribing. But before you leave here, if you are new, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified each time that I upload. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching.